Hey there, all you three-speed freaks. Peter, Chief Three-Speed Officer at 630 Bikes and E-Bikes. Your three-speed is clicking. What to do? I know your three-speed is clicking and you came here because you were afraid to ask anyone else. What I want to put your fears at rest, it's totally normal. You're gonna be okay. Everyone's gonna be okay. And if other people hear your three-speed clicking, they're not gonna judge you because theirs is clicking too. And the reason why is in order for you to be able to coast, there has to be a ratchet inside this very complex mechanism called the three-speed Nexus, or Shimano Nexus internal three-speed hub. And so anyway, in first gear, there really is usually no clicking noise, but in second and definitely in third, you're gonna hear a clicking noise. It's normal. If it's not clicking, then it's broken. So clicking is normal. Nate, let's come up and let's get a listen to, we'll go through first, second, and third, okay? And then you can compare your noise to this one. So the one thing that's nice with a three-speed, you can actually shift without having to turn the pedals. With a seven-speed, with the external, with a derailleur, you don't do that. So anyway, let's go ahead and I'm gonna take my microphone off and hold it down here. I'm gonna put this in first gear. And I'm gonna pick the bike up and pedal. That's the normal noise, and now we're gonna coast. And we're not really hearing anything. Okay, perfect. Let's put it in second. Here we go. Now we're hearing a little bit of clicking. I'm gonna coast. So that's what second should sound like, and then here's third. Third speed. Third gear. That's normal. So now you can go back out in public and ride your three-speed and not be worried that others are looking at you funny. I truly hope that that was helpful for you. If you liked it, please do like it and hit subscribe. It helps grow our channel. And if you need any help at all, please contact us. You can call us at 310-982-2877 or email us at theteam@sixthreezero.com. Remember, 630 is spelled out SIXTHREEZERO. Theteam@sixthreezero.com. Thanks.